Well, let me now go across to my colleague Aditi Anantanarayanan, who joins us for more on this story. Aditi, extremely bizarre statement there from the Lieutenant Governor promoting vigilantism, so to speak, at a time when the Delhi police actually reports to him. A really sad commentary on the state of affairs in the capital.
Exactly, Rukmini. Such a statement clearly shows that the Delhi police themselves are incapable of providing security to the women, and that is why, Tejinder Khanna is now asking people with weapons to go out on the streets and save the women. I have with me Kavita Krishnan here, who is a member of IPOP. Kavita, you heard the Lieutenant Governor. The activists, the women activists for long have been saying that the police should take matters in their hands instead of people coming out on the roads and becoming criminals.
No, it's amazing that he should say this being in charge of the Delhi police, that he's actually completely renouncing, washing his hands off the responsibility for keeping women safe, and he's actually saying that people with guns should go out and start shooting other people. I mean, what is this? What is he asking? He's asking for an invitation for anarchy. And on the other hand, he's actually saying, look, the police can't do anything, so you guys will have to go and do it on your own. It's a shameful and really shockingly irresponsible statement on his part.
What has your demand been in all through? You have been demanding that it is the police who should take the matters in their hands.
We are saying that the police has to be made accountable. Okay, you may need more police, you may need better, lots of better, facilities and so on. Fine, that's a separate thing. But I'm saying whatever police also exists now, they must be made accountable. There has to be, this is the Justice Verma report says, that if a police person does not file an FIR, does not take necessary action, then one can prosecute him and he can be, jailed for, I think, up to 5 years. These are the things which if you put in place, then you can have accountability. Now, instead of instituting accountability, you are actually telling the common public that you should get guns and go around shooting people and scaring people. This is what the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi says. I mean, I find this to be further proof that the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, the Delhi police, the Delhi government, all of these are really criminally culpable in what is happening now. And I just want to say again, why the silence on the Justice Verma report? Finally, at the end of, with this ongoing movement, this report, which is really very comprehensive and which has a whole lot of very concrete recommendations which can be put in place immediately. It's not just about the laws. There are recommendations that can be done right now, today, tomorrow. Why is the government silent?
So clearly, Rukmini, this statement by the Lieutenant Governor Tejinder Khanna has yet again, sent anger across the people, across the activists who have been fighting for over a month now. That it is the Delhi police, it is the state government which should take things in their hands and should ensure the safety of women. And now, he is just telling that people are ready, people should become criminals and take things in their own hands. At that point of time, and he should be saying that it is the government who should be responsible.